Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 51. Which tense highlights the length of an action that has been in progress up to the present? A. The children play outside since morning. B. The children are playing outside since morning. C. The children have played outside since morning. D. The children have been playing outside since morning. Correct answer, the children have been playing outside since morning. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 52. Which tense is used for commentary on events as they happen, example in sports? A. The runner crosses the finish line. B. The runner is crossing the finish line. C. The runner crossed the finish line. D. The runner will cross the finish line. Correct answer, the runner crosses the finish line. Simple present tense, for live commentary. Question number 53. Which tense is used for future events that are part of a fixed plan? A. The conference starts at 9 a.m. tomorrow. B. The conference is starting at 9 a.m. tomorrow. C. The conference will start at 9 a.m. tomorrow. D. The conference started at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Correct answer, the conference starts at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Simple present tense. Question number 54. Which tense describes a completed action in the past where the time is mentioned or understood from context? A. I read that book. B. I read that book last week. C. I am reading that book. D. I have read that book. Correct answer, I read that book last week. Simple past tense. Question number 55. Which tense is used for intentions and predictions based on present evidence, going to future? A. He is going to visit his parents this weekend. B. He will visit his parents this weekend. C. He visits his parents this weekend. D. He visited his parents this weekend. Correct answer, he is going to visit his parents this weekend. Be going to future. Question number 56. Which tense is used for an action that has just finished and has a present result? A. I finished my homework. B. I have just finished my homework. C. I am finishing my homework. D. I will finish my homework. Correct answer, I have just finished my homework. Present perfect tense. Question number 57. Which tense describes a general truth about the past, past simple passive? A. The pyramids built by ancient Egyptians. B. The pyramids were built by ancient Egyptians. C. The pyramids are built by ancient Egyptians. D. The pyramids will be built by ancient Egyptians. Correct answer, the pyramids were built by ancient Egyptians. Simple past tense, passive voice. Question number 58. Which tense describes an action that will be completed by a certain time in the future, with emphasis on the completion? A. By Christmas, I will buy all my presents. B. By Christmas, I will have bought all my presents. C. By Christmas, I am buying all my presents. D. By Christmas, I buy all my presents. Correct answer, by Christmas, I will have bought all my presents. Future perfect tense. Question number 59. Which tense is typically used for stating universal truths? A. The earth revolves around the sun. B. The earth is revolving around the sun. C. The earth revolved around the sun. D. The earth will revolve around the sun. Correct answer, the earth revolves around the sun, simple present tense. Question number 60. Which tense describes a current trend or fashion? A. People wear masks more often now. B. People are wearing masks more often now. C. People wore masks more often. D. People will wear masks more often. Correct answer, people are wearing masks more often now. Present continuous tense. Like, comment and subscribe.